So might be a problem. I play on Call of Duty on BlueStack, and I like to hear the sound of the fans. It is not visible. There's a CPU fan and a chassis fan. Yeah, it's kind of dirty. It's it. No way. So it is. It is actually uh, the GPU, and what I want to show that um, so I launch this, and the I don't recommend the anymore, because in if we speak about emulators, the NVIDIA is better. So here it is, Call of Duty, and I open this AMD tuning. What I want to show that I like the sound of the fan. I don't know if you can hear it now. I will do this one more time. It is actually not the CPU or the chassis fan, but here here there are two more fan. I'm a kind of fan of fans, and it is so quiet now. Okay, so it is. So basically, if I maybe I put this, and 6% increase in megahertz, then this is the only thing I can uh, overclock, and this makes PUBG, not PUBG, Code Mobile much better. It makes it much faster and smoother. So I can only record a small video now, so